Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have an unboxing video today. I have some big boxes that I got from Michael's. Let's see. They were having a sale on some of their canvases, so I picked up one of these bundles here, so there's a bunch of them. Let's see, so there's 8 of them here. Oh, that's right, 8 of them, and they're 10 by 10 inches. Because I really do enjoy the square shape as opposed to the rectangle, and most of the time the squares are hard to find, so I was happy with this. And like I said, there was a big sale, so I don't remember the exact price, but it was definitely worth it. And they're all individually wrapped inside as well, so they don't get dirty. I can see it on some of them there. And they just have the standard back. These are the stretched canvases. I always buy the stretched ones. So there was that and that big box. And then I have another great big box. I'm not even sure how much is going to fit there. Okay. Let's see. I have some paint and watercolor paper. And this was a really great deal. It was buy one pad and get the second one for free. So you really can't beat that deal. 2 for the price of 1. And I've had this before. This is some standard watercolor paper, the Strathmore brand. I think last time I bought it off of Amazon. I always get the cold press, the 140 pound. There's 12 sheets in there. And I have used this paper before. It has a nice tooth on it. You can see some of the texture there on your paper. And this was from the 300 series. So again, they're both exactly the same. And I got some paint here. That one was from the Artist Loft. This was an extra phthalo blue. I definitely use a lot of blue in my artwork because it's one of my favorite colors. And in this particular unboxing, my black watercolor paper came in here as well, but I already did a separate review on that, which I can link below. So that was it for that unboxing. Between the canvases and some extra paper and some paint, but I will be doing a lot more acrylic videos now that I have some extra canvases here that I bought. So if you're looking for something in particular, you can leave a comment down below and I will definitely take it into consideration, whether it be florals, landscapes, or some of the the galaxy and space scenes too. But that is it for today and this little unboxing. And you can be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, because I do have a lot more reviews coming up. And I have a special watercolor palette that's coming up. And some things are coming in the mail, so definitely stay tuned. And you can see these products in action. So subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time.